Google search CrackU free CAT mocks. Click on the first link. You can attempt 3 latest mocks in the actual exam interface. After completing the test, you get detailed solutions, analysis, and percentile along with your scorecard to gauge your All India performance. Click on the solutions to get video solutions from our expert faculty.
Hello guys, welcome to CrackU video series. This is a quick update on the FMS application forms. The application forms for FMS Delhi have been released. So in this video, we'll discuss about the application process, the application deadline, and also the selection process at FMS. Faculty of Management Studies Delhi consistently ranks within the top 5 B schools in the country. It's one of the most affordable B schools to pursue an MBA from. The application forms for FMS MBA full-time program, so that is a 2-year full-time program, and also the MBA executive program and MBA executive in healthcare administration program forms are now open. So in this video, we'll be looking at the application process for the 2-year full-time MBA program, that is the flagship program of FMS, and other key things. Also, if you want to know your CAT percentile required to get a call from FMS, you can check out our required CAT percentile predictor for the top B schools. So based on your profile, you'll get to know how much CAT percentile is required to get a call from FMS. The link for the same is provided in the description box below, so you can check the same. Let us look at the application deadline. So the FMS online application process has already started, and the last date to apply is on December 25th, 2021. So make sure you apply before this date, December 25. And how do you apply? The online application form, the link to apply for the same has been provided in the description box below, so please do check it out. So candidates must follow the given instructions while applying and fill in all the requisite details, and finally pay the application fee. The application fees is usually around rupees 1000. Let us look at the eligibility for the full-time 2-year MBA program. So firstly, as we know, candidates must have a valid CAT score. So the admission is strictly through the candidate's CAT score. No other entrance exam is accepted for FMS, and the candidates should also have a bachelor's degree, a minimum 3-year bachelor's degree with at least 50% marks or equivalent CGPA for the general candidates, and 45% for OBC, PWD or CW candidates, and passing marks for the SC, ST candidates. Also, students in the final year of their bachelor's degree can also apply. And if you look at the course fee at FMS, as we all know, FMS is the best college in the country in terms of return on investment. The course fee for the full-time program is around 2 lakhs, and the per semester fee is around rupees 48,000. So this is the per semester fee, and this is the overall fees of the full-time program. Alright, now finally let us quickly discuss about the selection process at FMS Delhi. So the selection process is broadly divided into 2 stages. In the stage 1, the candidates are shortlisted based on their CAT scores, and in your CAT score, different sections are given different weight. So for instance, the VARC section is given a weightage of 40%, the LRDI section 30%, and the quant section is given a weightage of 30%. Also, an additional 5 marks are added to the weighted score in case of women candidates for the purpose of shortlisting for the interview process. And in the stage 2 of the selection process, this is where the college selects based on personal interview, an extempore, discussion on SOP, your ACADS, and of course your CAT score. So in the final selection, the personal interview is given a weightage of 15%, 5% weightage is given to your extempore, discussion on SOP is given 10% weightage, and your 10th and 12th marks are given 10% each. So 10% weightage is given to 10th and 12th, 10% each. And finally, CAT 2021 score is given the highest weightage of 50%. So all this adds up to a total of 100%. Also again, an additional 5 marks are given to the women candidates who appear for the interview. This is to encourage the gender diversity. Also, if you look at the CAT cutoff for FMS, the cutoff for the general candidates is usually around 98 to 99 plus percentile. So why should you apply for FMS? As mentioned earlier, FMS has been consistently ranked among the top 5 B schools in the country, and the fees for the 2-year full-time MBA program is around 2 lakhs. So it's the best college in terms of ROI. And as discussed here, the weightage given to your CAT score is 50%. Therefore, a good CAT score boosts your chances of getting selected for the MBA program at FMS. Also, if you look at the average placement at FMS Delhi stands at 26 plus lakh per annum. So given the very good placement record and high weightage to one's CAT scores, one must not miss the chance of applying to FMS Delhi. Also, please do join our Telegram group. For regular exam updates and MBA college updates. And also please do subscribe to our channel for regular MBA exam updates. Thank you so much.